Hello all, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Realme C11. The phone is really nice. I just purchased this phone with 4500 rupees by exchanging my Samsung on 5 phone on Big Billion Days. I'm surprised when we ordered, the phone reached to me in 4 days and the package is also really good. Flipkart has done a good job with the packaging. And this is the phone, Realme C11. And coming to the specifications, very excellent specifications at this price. I never expect this type of specifications. When I use the phone, it's really awesome. It's a good budget phone. And the specifications most attractive thing is the battery. When once we charge, it comes 2 days. And also I installed some games. It is really good. When we open the Realme box, you have to check that seal. It should not be teared by others. And this is the phone. It looks really good, and I never expect that type of finishing at the back side. It is really awesome. The screen is big. I just installed a few games to verify the processing speed, and it really good. It really good. Yeah. And coming to accessories, I don't see accessories like earphones, but it is okay with the price because we are spending only 4500, right? And the charger is a turbo charger and a cable. And along with this, we have a pin to insert the SIM. That's all. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.